and this tutorial will guide you through the process of changing pins in Brawl Stars for the year 2025. Pins are a fun way to express yourself in the game, allowing you to display emotions or actions during battles. This step-by-step guide will help you navigate the settings and customize your pin collection effectively. So, let's get started. So first, locate the Brawl Stars app. After you locate the Brawl Stars app, tap on it to open the app. As you can see in the video, mine is already open. Make sure that your Brawl Stars in sync on any social accounts like Google, just in case you uninstall the game. When you want to play the game again with a save progress, especially if you have a special pin, like you can see in the video where the account is in sync, so my progress, especially special pins, is not affected even when I uninstall the app. But the progress is still in the Google account. When we're in the Brawl Stars app, tap the Brawlers tab, which is located at the left side of the screen. When we're in the Brawlers tab, choose any brawlers you want to change pin with, since every brawler or every character has special settings individually when it comes to pin. After you choose a brawler, tap on it to open the brawler's info. Now that we're in the brawler info, tap the chat icon, which is located at the bottom left of the screen beside the Hunger tab. From here, you can choose any pins for both brawlers and players. You have successfully changed your pins in Brawl Stars. Now you can express yourself in new ways during your matches. Remember to experiment with different pins for various brawlers to enhance your gaming experience. Enjoy showing off your personalized pin collection in battles.